Welcome back to part 2 of our series on luxury TV unit design trends 2025. If you missed part 1, we explored the latest minimalist TV cabinet designs and how sleek, modern units can completely transform your living room. Today, in part 2, we're going even deeper, showing you more innovative designs, storage hacks, and styling tips that will make your TV wall the centerpiece of your home. TV units aren't just for holding your television anymore. In 2025, they are functional, stylish, and a reflection of your personality. Let's dive in. Trend number 1: floating TV units with hidden storage. Floating TV units are still huge in 2025. They give a clean, modern look and make your living room feel more spacious by keeping the floor area visible. The new trend? Hidden storage compartments. Drawers and cabinets are now designed without handles, so cables, remotes, and consoles stay neatly tucked away. Designers are also incorporating LED strip lights underneath floating units to create a warm, ambient glow, perfect for cozy movie nights. Tip: choose a floating unit in neutral tones or wood finishes to complement your wall color and furniture for a harmonious, minimalist look. Trend number 2: TV units as statement walls. Luxury isn't just about the cabinet, it's about the entire TV wall. In 2025, designers are creating TV walls that combine materials like wood, marble, or textured panels. For example, a marble backdrop with a sleek black unit looks ultra-modern and luxurious. Textured wood panels can add warmth while keeping a minimalist vibe. Some designers even add metal accents or floating shelves for a contemporary feel. The idea is to make your TV wall a focal point, without overcrowding the room. Trend number 3: multifunctional media units. Modern TV units are no longer just for electronics. Many homeowners are opting for multifunctional designs in 2025. Open shelves for decor items like vases, books, or art pieces. Built-in wine racks or mini bars for entertaining. Pull-out desks or seating to maximize space in smaller living rooms. This trend combines style with practicality, allowing your TV unit to do more than just hold your television. Trend number 4: matte finishes and minimal hardware. Minimalism continues to dominate in 2025. Matte finishes, smooth textures, and handleless cabinet doors create a sleek, modern look. Designers recommend neutral matte colors like white beige or soft gray for a timeless appeal. Pairing the matte finish with warm wood accents to prevent the space from feeling cold. Using hidden compartments or push-to-open doors to maintain a clutter-free surface. This style emphasizes simplicity, elegance, and clean lines, perfect for contemporary homes. Trend number 5: integrated lighting and smart features. Tech-savvy homes are trending in 2025. Many luxury TV units now feature LED accent lighting behind panels or under cabinets. Built-in charging stations for devices. Smart compartments for remote controls, gaming consoles, or speakers. This trend combines aesthetics with modern convenience, making your living room functional and stylish at the same time. Trend number 6: customizable modular designs. Modular TV units allow homeowners to customize the size, color, and layout of their units. This is especially popular for open-plan living rooms where the TV unit needs to blend with multiple furniture styles. Modular designs in 2025 are stackable units for extra storage, configurable shelves and cabinets for flexibility, easy to update or expand as your living room evolves. This trend ensures that your TV unit adapts to your lifestyle, rather than forcing you to change your space around it. Styling tips for 2025. Keep decor minimal. A few curated art pieces, vases, or books can add personality without cluttering the space. Balance your wall unit with soft textures like rugs, cushions, and curtains to prevent the room from feeling too stark. Coordinate colors and materials across your living room to create a cohesive look. Consider the height of the TV and cabinets for ergonomic viewing. Design isn't just about style, it's also about comfort. In 2025, luxury TV units are all about minimalism, multifunctionality, and design-forward thinking. Whether you choose floating units, statement walls, modular designs, or smart features, your TV wall can be the centerpiece of your home. If you enjoyed part 1, make sure to check it out. We covered the top minimalist TV cabinet designs and tips to elevate your living room style. Which of these 2025 TV unit trends would you pick for your home? Floating units, statement walls, or smart modular designs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more interior design inspiration, home decor trends, and luxury living tips for 2025.